Greetings, LEGO enjoyers, and yeah, it's time to review another LEGO set. So yeah, some of the larger LEGO sets will have set reviews, except for one where you'll have a series dedicated to it and a set review. Although I haven't planned the Optimus Prime set review yet, so yeah, I'll get to it. But for now, it's time to review one of the LEGO Technic sets. This is the LEGO Technic Camaro. And let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. So strap ourselves in and let's roll. Alright, so it's set number 42153. Yeah, and as you can tell, it's really well detailed with the stickers. So yeah, I didn't get the BWiz 2.0 motor to make it an RC mod, but it's still pretty good. So yeah, the engine does hide something cool in particular. The engine. Well, the engine itself, and how it moves. See, look, this is a commonplace in a lot of LEGO Technic sets. It's really cool. Yeah, you have these pieces, Technic rods, as pistons, and of course, it does come into a play of how the engine works in real life. Heck, even the wheels turn, which is rare for a toy car, because toy cars usually have fixed wheels, but this one has steering. Yeah, and it also has an interior. So yeah, it's very well detailed. And of course, if you have the time, you could even mod it to be radio controlled. Yeah, there's the details on the back. Yeah, I didn't place the stickers in a correct manner, but oh well. We all make mistakes, and even the front has details, so yeah. It is a pretty good idea. Yeah, take one of the newest NASCAR racing cars and make it into a LEGO Technic set. So yeah, a lot of stickers, and it took me a while to build. So the underside, well, is basically just the gear functions and how they work. Yeah, the underside is nothing too special, and it uses some Technic pieces that may or may not have come from Bionicle sets. So what do I think about this LEGO Technic car? It's actually pretty good. I mean, it's there to put a smile on your face. Well, I would give it an 8 out of 10, but we don't get very many NASCAR LEGO Technic cars, and we don't get very many NASCAR LEGO sets in particular, so it gets a point for that, and it gets a 9 out of 10, a well-deserving 9 out of 10, because it is so far the only LEGO Technic NASCAR racing car, and oh boy, is it ever cool. And its size is comparable to the 1/18 scale cars. So yeah, really cool and has some gimmicks that do work, just like a lot of other Technic sets. And yes, even the hood is openable, so you can see that engine. So yeah. Like any LEGO Technic set, you can radio control mod it if you want. So you can have the car go up against the LEGO Technic tractor. See, but here's the how the steering works. Yeah, it's basically just a more Technic functions and yeah, there's a lot of gears. So yeah, it does pack a lot of well, pack a couple of gimmicks and you can leave it at leave it on display for everyone to see. But here's the why it doesn't get a perfect 10 out of 10. This car isn't based on any particular driver. Yeah, they didn't get any license to use well, the Hendrick Motorsports drivers like Alex Bowman or William Byron or Chase Elliott or even another one of the Chevy drivers. It would have been cool if this car was based on Chase Elliott's car. But instead it's numbered to represent NASCAR's 75th anniversary at the time, and well, it's a pretty generic paint scheme. Well, it looks good, but it has no known driver. It's based on no paint scheme that any NASCAR driver used, so that's something to keep in mind. Although if you want, you can also mod this set to make it look like the Garage 56 Camaro. And that's something that's really cool with any LEGO sets. I just wish that LEGO would bring back the accessory packs for these sets so you can customize it and make it look like the Garage 56 Camaro. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with it. Yeah, you can either turn it into an RC or the Garage 56 Camaro or a whatever. And I believe that there's also some other alternate builds where you could probably turn it into a Ford Mustang stock car. So yeah, it has a lot of mocking potential, and yeah, this is the Bandito concluding his review on the LEGO Technic Chevrolet Camaro stock car. Catch you guys next time, and peace out. Smaller channels are at risk, and every subscriber means a lot to them. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Racer Cinema Productions videos. And together, we can help drive the YouTube algorithm away from this channel, so that I don't succumb to the fate of other smaller channels getting defeated by the viewer-based algorithm. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys